everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a birthday mail time. It's my birthday tomorrow. I'm really excited. So let's go open our gifts. I have 35 so far. Thank you so much to whoever sent me gifts. I really appreciate it. Just thank you so much. So let's open the first gift, which is from Puppy Girl 32, and I'm really excited to open them all. Wow, thank you so much for the gold waves. I really appreciate it. Okay, so it's Puppy Girl 32 again. She sent me 2 gifts. Wow, it's a D-pack as well. Thank you so much, guys, if you sent me rares, clothes, or something like that. Wow, Winter Cheeks, thank you. A lot of people know that I'm a fan of Winter Cheeks. What's this? Okay, what? Oh, yeah, that's nice. I like to wear those. Ooh, that's cute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Street Dancer Nicole for all those gifts. Wow, that is so pretty. That seriously goes on me nicely. Ooh, animation. Thank you. Another animation. Thank you. I think this is going to be another animation as well. It's a bit laggy. Yep. Thank you for all the animation. Ooh, that's cute. Wow. Wow, she sent me so many gifts. Thank you so much. Ooh. Wow, that's cute. Ooh. I think some of these are VIP, but I'm not VIP though. Maybe they glitched them. Wow, that is so cute. Thank you so much. 20 out of 20. Thank you. That goes on me. Thank you. Ooh. Wow, I look like a student right now. Thank you. Now for Mayfair 2018. Ooh, that is so cute. Wow, it's a rare. It was in 2017 rare week. Oh my god, I always wanted this hair. Thank you so much. N-A-G. Ooh, that's cute. Wow, nice. Thank you so much, Kitten Plays MS. No, not Kitten Plays MS. Kitten Plays YouTube. Thank you so much, Audrey. Thank you so much for the background. Ooh, that's VIP. Thank you so much. Wow, that's cute. Now it's Jake. Ooh, from Holly. That's super cute. Ooh, wait guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more gifts. Thank you. From Princess Bells, go ahead and add everybody. Ponytail Cutie, thank you. Ooh, that is super cute. Ooh. And the last one. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you guys for all those gifts. I really appreciate it. Let's make a outfit actually. I really appreciate that you all gave me gifts. I'm using them a lot. Okay, so first let's start with hair. And obviously I'm going to use the hair that you guys gave me. Um, what should I use? I really like this hair. It's cute. I like all the hair. Wow, yeah, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. It's just super cute. Um, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. And this. Not a lot of people. Nobody sent me shoes, but it's okay. I'll use these. Um, I'll use this and these. Wow. Thank you guys so much. You are the best. I love you guys. Oh, and let's use some of the animations that my friends sent me. Wow, this is so cute. I'm gonna use this one because it is adorable. But yeah. I can't wait till my birthday. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you didn't. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all those gifts that you sent me, as I already said that. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Go ahead and add me on UK server. Yeah, bye, and see you in my next video. And also sorry that I haven't been recording lately. I have been really busy. But yeah, bye guys, and hope you enjoyed. And sorry if it's kind of short because I only recorded for 8 minutes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.